Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about Kabbage business line of credit that you can get with a 640 FICO score. We're going to talk about the different requirements and also some of the documents that you may need to upload during the application process. If you want to see more videos about business credit, business funding, personal credit, business grants, and more, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you want to see our free training on how you can get up to $600,000 in business credit and funding as quickly as possible, even if you have a startup company or have bad personal credit, you can get a total of up to $600,000 in credit. And this comes from the case studies from the people that we have worked with. So it is possible to be able to get funding. You just have to know how to properly do it. So make sure that you sign up for this after this video. All right, so Kabbage is backed by American Express. This is actually an American Express company now. It used to be its own company, but American Express has bought them out. So they offer funding as well as business checking accounts. You can get 1.10% APY on your balances up to $100,000 without monthly maintenance fees. You can also apply for lines of credit within minutes. You can also get payment processing through them as well. So if you need payment processing for your business, you can also get it through them as well. So you can get up to $250,000 in business credit. This is going to be a business line of credit. Now, the minimum requirements as far as the credit score is going to be a 640 across the board. So you need to make sure that you have at least a 640 with all of your credit bureaus. Also, make sure that you go down here to the footnotes and read some of the loan terms, because they do range from 2% to 9% for 6 months, and then 4.5% to 18% for 12 months. And then they also have an 18-month term as well. You can get 6.75% all the way up to 27%, which is on the higher end. The better your credit is, the lower your interest rates may be. Also, the minimum loan amount is going to be $2,000 and the highest is $250,000. Sometimes they do go over $250,000. It's going to depend on your credit and how your business is doing financially. So the minimum amount that you need to make per month is going to be $3,000. So if you have at least $3,000 in monthly revenue for the last 6 months, I believe you'll be able to get a line of credit. And maybe it's a small line of credit, but you'll be able to get something. Also, keep in mind, as far as the fees go, you're only going to be paying fees on the amount that you use. And that is, at the time of recording this video, it may change the way they do the fees, but as of today, July 20th, 2022, that's the way they're doing the fees. Also, as of today, you can get $200 after you apply and get approved. I believe this offer is going to end on September 30th, 2022. So their application is pretty quick. Also, I forgot to mention that they are doing a soft pull. So there is no hard pull, no hard credit check on your personal credit whatsoever. It's not going to affect your personal credit for you to apply for this and see if you can get approved. Now, the way the application process works is that you're going to create your account with Kabbage. You're going to fill out the application. You're going to connect your business banking accounts. If you have multiple bank accounts, you can connect all of them. You're going to use the Plaid system, I believe, to connect all of your bank accounts. And then they're going to analyze your deposits and things like that, and analyze your bank accounts, as well as look at your personal credit. And they'll give you a line of credit based upon the data that they get from your credit and your banking history. Also, if you've had any recent overdrafts, you probably will not get approved for any lines of credit. They want to make sure that you're going to be able to pay back the line of credit. So if you have had any recent overdrafts, I would just go ahead and wait 60 to 90 days before applying if you had one within the past 30 days. Also, they have no prepayment penalties. So if you pay early, you're not going to have to pay any prepayment penalties. I believe their payments are going to be monthly basis. Sometimes these easy approval lines of credit like Fundbox, they will actually require that you pay them back weekly. But I believe you can pay them back on a monthly basis with this line of credit. So the approval process, it usually only takes a day or two. If they require additional information, they're going to ask you either to provide your EIN letter, your articles of incorporation letter, or if you don't have any of that to upload, you can also upload like a leasing agreement for your office or a landline business phone bill, or also your EIN letter. So sometimes they may require those documents and you'll be able to upload that right after you do the application if they are requesting additional information. They'll usually let you know. Also, if you have any questions, they do have a support team. So go to the help center. I believe when you're logged in, it's going to show their phone number and the chat and the email and all of that. I'm not going to log in right now, but when you log in, you're going to see the different ways to contact them. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable, and I will see you in the next video.